Welcome to the House Tours Plug YouTube channel, and if not yet subscribed to this channel, take a second and subscribe to it. This newest house belongs to the artist of all the time called Mariah Carey, who has taken the music industry to greater heights. Born in Hurlington, United States of America, she is a singer and songwriter who is intrigued by the pop and R&B music genres. She bought it at a minting $5.65 million. It is located in a serene environment in Atlanta and boasts of 9 bedrooms and 13 bathrooms on a 4.2-acre piece of land. The kitchen's design features premium culinary equipments with comfy seats painting the house in white. The doors are of French origin and style with the walls made of glass. The master bedroom is well arranged with stylish wardrobes that leaves the room looking amazing. It also features a movie theater for entertaining the guests and herself by keeping boredom away, a private swimming pool with cool shimmering waters set in the woodlands, a spacious guest apartment with fireplace and a children's playground. It also has a tennis and basketball court for exercising, leisure and keeping the body fit. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our new upcoming exclusive house tours. See you then!